The language of a leader should be uniting or unifying. Now, ano pa yung gusto kong banggitin as a leader? I give seminars on leadership. Dalawa ang paborito kong seminar on leadership. Servant leadership at saka bridging leadership. Ano yung servant leadership? Ito yung leadership na create ni Robert K. Greenleaf, isang American author and leadership guru. The servant leadership is derived from the leadership of Jesus. Kasi sabi ni Jesus, anyone who wants to be the first should be the last. So, dapat kung gusto mo maging leader, the first thing that you do is to serve and to help people. Yan ang substance, yan ang meaning ng servant leadership. Pattern from the leadership of God or Jesus. Isa pang paborito kong leadership topic is bridging leadership. What does bridging leadership mean? Ikaw na leader is a bridge in societal divides. What does societal divides mean? Pag hindi nakakaisa yung mga tao, you should be the bridge. And sad to say, our country, our people today have become so divided. We have become so polarized. Why? Because mayroon tayong mga leaders na ang language nila is divisive. The language of a leader should be uniting or unifying. Pero tingnan mo sa social media, sa TV, bangayan ng bangayan. It creates division and polarization among our people.